Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to this channel. This is me Swati Jaswal, and today I'm going to teach you about this chapter number 8, Nobody's Friend. It is a poem which is written by Enid Blyton. Okay, she is the poet of this poem. So before starting of this poem, I just want to ask you something that do you like to share your things with others? Yes? Do you like to share your things with others? Okay, and some of them, they don't want to like or share the things to others just because they are selfish. Okay, so you are like to share your things others, it means you are very careful or a helpful person. So you have too many friends or they don't have any friends. Okay, so this is the story title. Name is Nobody's Friend. Now here are some questions again. Do you have friends or do you share your things with them? So there are some people who have many friends and some who don't have any friends, as I told you, just because they are selfish. Okay, this is the poem. There are two characters, both are selfish and they don't want to share his things, but the poet is very kind and sharing person. Now let's see the explanation of this poem in details. Before explanation, see the meanings of the new words share and lend, all of my, every bit, or a tricycle. Okay, which is the bold word as you can see here. So now, first word is lend. Lend, it means give something to someone for short time. Okay, लैंड इट मीन्स किसी को कोई चीज़ उधार देना बहुत ही शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए. ठीक है. एंड द सेकेंड वर्ड इज ट्राइसिकल. ट्राइसिकल इट मीन्स अ व्हीकल with 3 wheels and is smaller than a bicycle. And share, it means have something with others to share. Okay. And now every bit, it means the whole things. And all of my, it means all my. Okay. So now we will start this poem. Let's see the explanation of the poem. Nobody's Friend is a great lesson for the children. The poem teaches us the importance of sharing to maintain friendships. Okay. Now, in the first stanza, she had some sweets that she wouldn't share. She had a book that she wouldn't lend. She wouldn't let anyone play with her doll. She's nobody's friend. Second stanza, he had some toffees and ate every bite. He had a tricycle he wouldn't lend. He never let anyone play with his train. He's nobody's friend. In the last stanza, but I'll share all of my sweets with you, and my ball and my books and my games I will lend. Here's half my apple and half my cake. I am your friend. So now, students, in the first stanza you can see this picture, a girl who has too many things. She has the books, sweets and a doll also, but she doesn't let them to anyone and she doesn't want to share. She has everything but she doesn't want to share. The girl having a doll, but she doesn't allow to anyone to play with that, and she is presented as a selfish and she has no friends. In the second paragraph, you just see in the second para, the poet tells us a boy. He had some toffee and ate every bite. Now he has some toffee and he doesn't want to share with anyone. Even he eat them up. Similarly, a boy has a tricycle, but which he just ride alone, and he doesn't lend them to anyone. And he is also a toy train which he plays it with himself, and again he doesn't want to share with anyone, which means he is not anybody's friend. He is shown as a selfish as the girl. So he also presented himself as a selfish person. And the last stanza, as you can see here in this picture, is the last stanza. The poet, in this last stanza, here I again read it this, but I'll share all of my sweets with you. My ball and my books and my games I will lend. Here's a half my apple and half my cake. I am your friend. The last stanza of the poem, the poetess tells us about the girl who has some sweets, books and toys, and which she is ready to lend or share with the others. The poet is also have some games, okay, which she likes to share with others. Moreover, the poet is also goes on to say that even if she has an apple, she will share the half with anyone. In addition, the poetess has a cake also, and she is ready to share with others. So this shows that the girl is very helpful person, and she is like to share her things with others. She is everyone's friend, and she is a good friend. In the conclusion, we can say that the poem shows that how the sharing can help us go a long way. It is a great habit which will help us to make new friends. Okay, so students, this is all about the poem Nobody's Friend. I hope that you will be great friend and sharing all the things with anyone, or your friend shows that the word you are everybody's friend. Okay, thank you.